Hi everybody! You know what's getting popular in Japan right now? It's actually Hoji tea. It's not a green tea. It's another kind of Japanese tea. And I got this special Hoji tea from my friend the other day. So this time I decided to make chai. It's one of my favorite drinks with this Hoji tea. It's going to be really spicy. The ingredients are milk, Hoji tea. This time I could only find cardamom powder, sugar, ginger, black sugar, white pepper, clove, and a cinnamon stick. Put a slice of garlic, sugar, black sugar in a pan and put a cardamom powder, clove, and a white pepper in a tea bag. Add it to the pan and pour the water and heat it up. I'm just gonna use a cinnamon stick to stir it. When it started to boil, add Hoji tea. When the leaves completely opened, add milk. Then, just before it completely boiled, turn off the heat, and that's it. Take out the tea bag. And get ready for drink. Don't forget the cinnamon stick. Itadakimasu. So once it gets this special flavor of this Hoji tea, this chai becomes so special. Milk with Hoji tea. This is just a great combination. I love this taste. So once you had a chance to get this Hoji tea, you really should try this out. Okay, so this is going to be my last video in 2018. I hope you enjoyed all my videos which I created in this year. I really enjoyed making those recipes and of course videos and getting all of your comments. Thank you so much. You just don't know how much I appreciate it. And I hope you'll come back next year and I'll try to make a lot of more interesting videos of recipes. So I really hope you're gonna try those recipes and I can make you so happy in 2019 too. So thank you so much and have a great new year in 2019. Thank you for watching. See you!